Hello guys, welcome back to new website channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with your Instagram account by posting on your Instagram account. So if you have like 1k, 2k, 3k, 4k followers on your Instagram account, you need to know and to learn this method. Now I have new account, but just to show you guys how to make money with your Instagram account. So this is my new account. Now I will use it to tell you and to show you how to make money online by posting your video. Assuming you're posting like 2, 3, 4 photo, 4, 5, 6, 7 photo in a day. So by posting like 7 photo on your Instagram, you can make like $200 to $300 by posting 7 photo to 4 to 10 photo on your Instagram. The more you have engagement on your post, the more you earn on that platform. So now guys, let's get started. I will show you how to make it that website. Now go to your Chrome browser. Maybe you have UC browser, Yandex browser, Chrome browser, but I will use Chrome browser. Then search for shortcut.com. Shortcut.com. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. So in the next video I will show you how guys to register this account, so you can be able to see the notification. Now the network is bad, sorry guys. Now go to this, make sure you register. After you register, they will send you a code or message to your email. Click on that message to active this account to active your account. Now I will show you how this site works. Now see, you can see this guy have 592.3k followers. He's making $4. 3.3 million followers. He's making $404. So guys, this is how this site work. In this site you can post TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can post it. Let me show you. Place it. Now you can see it, guys. Add your new Instagram, add your new TikTok, add new YouTube, add new Twitter, add new Facebook. So this is how it works, man. If you have Instagram and you have more followers on your Instagram, click on Instagram. So search for your username. Click find. Don't forget to set your account public. So you can see, because I don't have more than 1k followers on my Instagram, so I had I can't go further on this platform. So if you have like 1k 2k followers on your Instagram, so you are free to go. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, so I will show you more how this site work and how to add, after you get 1k followers, how to add your username here, how to sell your Instagram page here to make more money by posting. If you have more engage on your posting, maybe you post one picture today and you have like 500 like, so I think that 500 like you can make like $50 a day. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye.